Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you how to make no bake chocolate peanut butter oat cookie. Yes, these are very easy to make and so delicious to eat. So let's see the ingredients that we are going to use here. Here I've taken half cup milk, 1 cup brown sugar, 3 cups oats, 1 cup creamy peanut butter, 1 by 4th unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 stick butter. I'll mention all the ingredients below in the description below so you can later refer to it. In a vessel I'm adding the milk, brown sugar, butter and the cocoa powder. Now let it boil for around 15 minutes or until it is nicely boiled. The longer we boil it or cook it, the more the cookie will be firm and nice. It won't be turning gooey or sticky. So let it boil for around 15 minutes nicely cooked. Now it's nicely done. I'm adding the peanut butter, 1 cup peanut butter. You can add little salt also, a pinch of salt, and mix it well. Now we will add the oats. These are uncooked oats. So we are adding 3 cups oats to this mixture that we created. That will help in nicely binding and making the cookie. So this is going to be a no bake cookie. We are not going to bake it. We are going to freeze it or put it in the fridge or refrigerator and it's done. Enjoy this and we can store it for 3 days and it will be just as it is. Very delicious, very good recipe and so easy to make, isn't it? Nicely mix it. The mixture is hot right now, so it's very good to put it as soon as you take it out of the stove and add the oats to it and the peanut butter and mix it well. Now I'm taking a baking tray and scoop out this mixture and put it into the tray to make a nice cookie shape. It's usually little thicker in shape like this. It's one of the famous cookie recipe in America. You can also try making the same way. Add your favorite chocolate here, chocolate powder or cocoa powder here, and follow the same recipe, same process. You can line a baking sheet here, baking parchment paper so that the cookies you can take out easily once it's frozen. Now we will put this in the freezer for 15 minutes and after 15 minutes we'll take out each cookie and store it in a glass container or in a normal cookie jar. And this is good for 3 days. You can enjoy it, put it in the refrigerator whenever you want it. You can enjoy this cookie. It's so good, so delicious. The smell of peanut butter, cocoa powder, everything makes it so delicious. It's a very nice filling recipe that you can give it to your kids, and for breakfast also you can give this. Very delicious, so good. Kids enjoy, everybody enjoys this recipe.
Really tasty.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Also say something how you like or enjoyed this recipe. Do share your comments below. Thank you.